Hi, it's Steve. In this video, we'd like to share with you some tips on how to maximize the efficiency of your clothes dryer. We'll share with you some tips on sorting clothes, as well as some installation guides. If you have a specific part that you're looking to replace, simply visit our website and using your model number, search for that part and we may have a specific repair video just for you. How you sort your clothes has a great impact on how efficient your dryer works. You'll get better efficiency if you dry your smaller items together and separate the larger items such as bedding and towels. You should always follow your manufacturer's user guide to get the best instructions for your dryer. The second most important thing is keeping your lint filter clean. All of the air that goes through your dryer goes through that lint screen. As it becomes plugged, it decreases the efficiency and causes longer drying times. Plugged lint screens can also cause increased temperatures inside your dryer, which may present a fire hazard. Since we're talking about lint buildup in a dryer creating a decrease in efficiency, we should also look at the venting. You should periodically inspect the venting at the back of your dryer and look for any signs of a buildup of lint or debris. The type of venting material that you use can have a great effect on how efficient that dryer works. The flexible plastic venting that is common can create little pockets that will build up with moist lint and eventually start to plug off. They're also quite brittle and they're also prone to bending when you push your dryer back into place, and you can crimp them off till you restrict the airflow through that vent completely. Any of that restriction can contribute to the decrease in the efficiency of your dryer. We strongly recommend that you don't use plastic venting except where absolutely necessary, and definitely never in a hidden space. Besides the venting material, you also should pay careful attention to the vent cap on the exterior of your building. The two typical types that we see are a single flap or a multiple louvered type vent cap. Make sure that the caps stay closed when there is no airflow and that they open freely and fully when your dryer is running. Make sure that you clean any lint that is built up in those louvers so that they open easily. Something that you definitely want to avoid is any type of a screen or rodent protector over that vent cap. What that tends to do is collect lint and restricts your airflow. Another tip to help with the efficiency of your dryer is to do a regular inspection on the door gasket. Make sure there are no tears or pieces missing that might affect the performance of the gasket. It's important that it create a tight seal with the front of the drum so that we don't suck cool air into the dryer and use only the warm air created by the heating element. We'll also want to pay careful attention to the inlet duct assembly to the drum. That's typically quite hot, and if it comes in contact with certain types of fabrics, they may melt onto that and create a rough surface which can damage your clothing. So you'll want to look carefully at that and clean it as required. Thank you so much for watching this video. We certainly hope that it was helpful to you. And remember to subscribe so you don't miss a thing.